Then opened he their understanding, that they might understand the scriptures. May God bless you. Amen. Ti chuan Pathian lekha thu hriat nan an thin lung ati fing ta a. Pathian lekha thu hriat nan kan thin lung ti fing thei tu chu Isu ani. Lalpan mal som charo se. Amen.